好耐冇見啊，咁多位。近呢一年係相對比較忙啲嘅，主力都係 organize 個14鐵漢嘅嘢。嗱，雖然簡簡單單地好似做展啫，好似冇乜嘢做嘅，但係背後嗰個 set up 啊、planning 啊、socialize 咧，嗰個都頗為比較 draining 嘅。咁啊，直頭係唔想再拍 YouTube 啊呢啲咁嘅嘢。But most importantly 係其實都係冇乜嘢講啊，所以咪唔拍咯。嗱，如果大家有睇開 Threads 啊，或者係 Instagram 的話咧，嗰度都有講過話，我近排係研究緊呢個 iPhone 拍片嘅。其中一個最大原因咧，係原來 iPhone 咧係佢有 Open Gate 同埋可以外置呢個 anamorphic 嘅鏡頭嘅，仲要係1.5嚟嘅。咁 obviously 我係非常之想試啦，我對呢個 anamorphic 咧係情有獨鍾嘅。I know it's annoying, but 俾我玩下啦。但係 on a serious note 咧係呢嚿嘢。OK，USB hub。我手提電話係一個超級電腦嚟㗎嘛 ，right？ 咁你係可以係即係過上 from 呢個 SSD 去 SD 卡嘅相嘅話咧，其實理論上係輕而易舉可以做到嘅。但是奈何咧 ，iPhone 係得一個 USB 頭啊，咁啊變咗係好多嘢咧係唔夠嘅。But anyway 呢個係遲啲會講㗎啦。全部啲嘢咧係自己真金白銀買嘅，所以係我中意講咩就講咩。To cut the story short， 究竟 iPhone 如何咧？第一，佢可以拍 ProRes RAW。ProRes RAW 咧係試過，佢嗰個 file size 係實在太過離晒譜地巨型嘅。1分鐘嘅 clips 係 roughly 係12 G 左右嘅。你係需要呢啲咁嘅 external 嘅 SSD 先至可以用到 ProRes RAW。真心講句，用到都唔好用啊！我哋平民百姓係完全用唔着呢個 ProRes RAW 嘅，簡單單地係用個 ProRes， 跟住就 4K 嘅話咧，係自然你係識飛㗎啦。第二個啦，究竟呢一支呢個係 Freewell 出品嘅anamorphic 鏡嚟嘅。過去10幾20年嘅話咧，我哋對呢個電影味、電影感呢樣嘢咧係長期咁追求嘅，差唔多係 equivalent 咗嘅電影感就是 quality 啦。Well yeah to some extent yes， 兩樣嘢即係24 frame per second 同埋嗰個快門24 frame 的話咧就乘2。就係48 1/48啦。咁呢個就係最 standard 嘅所謂電影感嘅嘢，因為有個 motion blur 就係呢啲咁嘅。呢兩個分別嚟講嘅話咧，其實嗰個 Apple Log 咧係成個 footage 咧係 flat 好多，遠多過呢個叫咩D-Log M 啊 ，D-Log M。In general 嚟講嘅話咧，究竟 DJI 定話係呢個 iPhone 好啲嘅話，老實嚟講嘅話，呢個夠用有得啦。OK， 遠方便過 即係用呢部機咧係遠遠方便過呢個 iPhone 嘅，因為咧。
Forget a Rico, Rico, don't forget a can, and canon. Yes, oh hell yes, that Hasselblad. Oh, a big time hell yeah. But I'll settle with the DJ. I'm happy with the DJ. I'll be happier with the Fuji film. Oh, yeah. Shut up and get me a Laker. Just get me, buy me, feed me. Just shower me with chimeras. Hey, stop. I want those lenses too. Nikon lens, Sony lens, Canon lens, Leica lens. Buy me, buy me, buy me, buy me. Just shut up and buy me. Did I mention I want a Panasonic too? Oh, I love all
5分鐘、10分鐘左右啦，同埋咧呢度冇出出嚟咧，係啲 USB cable 啊，哇！呢度插，嗰度穿，呢度插，跟住其實老實講話，用得耐咗之後咧，係究竟嗰成個 connection 咧係咪真係咁 secure 咧？我有保留咯。因為新出就當然冇事啦，但係耐咗之後咧，我都係有少少隱憂咁嘅，所以唔好搞呢樣嘢 ，OK？ 用呢個嗱主力咧，我搞呢啲嘢咧，其實係唔係特別想用個 iPhone 嚟去拍片嘅，只係順手咁解啫。我需要 backup 啲 file say for example SD 卡過去 SSD 咁樣去嘅，但係咧喺街上面嗰啲嘢，尤其是你喺山卡拉嗰度嘅話咧，你未必係可以係方便地買到啲 SSD 或者係 SD 卡咁噶嘛。backup 啲重要嘅資料咧，都係一個 good habit。以前咧就我都有部 Epson 嘅嘢，佢係 internal 係有埋個 hard disk， 佢有埋個 SD 卡嘅 slot 同埋 CF Express 卡嘅 slot 嘅。咁你影完嘅 SD 卡嘅話咧，就拍落去佢自己會係 backup 噶啦。for some stupid reason 咧，就唔知點解係依家市面上冇乜啊。I don't know。咁啊，抄呢啲咁嘅相關嘅資料啦，就咁最後俾我發現咗係原來啲人係用 iPhone 係去做一個 data transfer 嘅嘢嚟嘅。話晒 iPhone 是一個非常之 powerful 嘅一個超級電腦嚟嘅，又冇哪又係做唔到呢個簡單嘅 file transfer 㗎，right？ 咁你現在你可以睇到啦，T7 Shield 其實即係呢嚿嘢 ，alright？ 咁啊 Leica M which is 呢個 SD 卡啦 ，T7 係 SSD 啦。同埋呢個 Leica M which is SD 卡啦 ，OK？read 到啦，read 到即係 another word 你係可以 transfer from say for example 係 SD 卡去 SSD 做一個 backup，etc 啦。咁咧第一件事真係最需要嘅就係呢嚿嘢，呢個 small rig 嘅 USB-C 盒嚟嘅。iPhone 得一個 USB-C 嘅 port。係唔夠用嘅，咁 obviously 拍落去啦，OK。 搬呢啲 file around 的話咧，你係需要 external power 嘅，因為iPhone 本身係唔夠力啊。所以 another way 你係需要類似呢啲咁嘅 power bank 嘅物體，咁啊都係用 USB-C cable 嘅，咁就駁落去呢嚿 USB-C hub 嘅呢個 PD 個位嗰度。咁咧，跟住就話呢個 SD card reader 咧，都係用 USB-C 嘅。咁就拍落去 PC。咁咧佢一 read 到嘅話咧，呢度彈咗出嚟㗎啦，先 SSD 卡話換咗 Like M 啦，就 SSD， 咁SSD 又係 USB-C 嚟嘅，多啲 cable 條揈去。幾鬼多六神合體啊！幾鬼多線啊！嗱，今時今日係我哋玩得攝影嘅話，咁當然唔係單單地影相啦，我哋會有 drone 啊，我哋會有個拍片啊，變咗係每一日嘅話咧，就係差唔多係你會有好多嘅一個 data 係你要 sort out 嘅 data backup 嘅重要性咧係我會話係越嚟越重要。如果去旅行的話咧，就真係要帶幾多條 USB-C 話，再試下計下先。1、2、3，OK。呢個計唔計咧？計埋啦，4條 USB-C 至少。最穩定、最安全嘅話咧，就係呢個有個 Thunderbolt 4呢個 cable 嘅，就呢個就係最安心嘅，即係 the highest speed transfer、read and write 乜嘢都係最好嘅。咁第二啲 USB-C cable 咧就可以幾穩定咧，我就真係唔知啦。即係穩定即係意思係你你拍片你頭5分鐘嘅話就係拍到即係 4K 或者係 ProRes RAW 林總總，但係咧5分鐘過後嘅話咧就 for some stupid reason 咧就係 hang 機定話唔知咩原因都好咧，就係會停咗嘅，會自己停拍喺度嘅，自動停嘅會係。但是咧呢個 Thunderbolt 4嘅話咧，係繼續拍到係你個 SSD 係冇晒位為止嘅，或者冇晒電為止嘅。安全至上嘅話咧，就最好都係有個 Thunderbolt 4呢個咁嘅 logo， 有呢個 logo 嘅線買呢啲係比較係安全啲嘅。咁呢個 Small Rig 究竟係O 唔 OK 咧？咁有1,200蚊咁樣落 OK 啦。佢係用佢兩個 port 咧就係用 USB 2.0嘅。因為其實呢一個係其實俾你係駁去嗰啲microphone 啊咁樣去啫。咁啊 USB 3.1都 OK 快啦，但係 again 用呢個 port 嚟去拍用 ProRes， 但係 ProRes RAW 就一定不可以嘅。差啲就係咁完咗，係唔記得介紹呢個 FreeWell 嘅呢個 anamorphic 嘅鏡頭。佢連埋咗呢個 case， 咁佢係 1.5 嚟嘅 ，OK， 即係完全未用過，即係而家都係用緊支 anamorphic 嘅，但係一係 1.3 嚟嘅，然後得1.5即係 another way it's wider， 再扁啲嘅。其實咁啊 ，overall 做工啦，做工嘅話咧就已經係 OK 嘅，又好鬼實淨嘅。咁啊，係 through the lens 嘅話咧都係啲玻璃係好清嘅，so I guess it's a very good glass or glasses。個 back 就喺呢度啦，佢係係 screw 落去啫。即係哇！呢 set 嘢係small rig 嘅，佢就 連埋咗幾個 plate。咁咧呢個咧就係螺絲貓嚟嘅，好似17mm 左右嚟，咁俾呢啲咁嘅 aftermarket 嘅 accessory，即係直接裝上去嘅，扭上去啫。嘅，所以話係 set up 嗰個 iPhone 拍片咧，其實真係麻鬼煩嘅。there you go。咁當然你要係 level 佢啦，係佢喺上面咧就有個 spirit 嘅，咁你誒對翻 accordingly。咁咧我哋拍片一般係最緊要係一個 filter ND filter 去減光㗎，尤其是你中意用大光圈嘅話咧，咁啊 filter 係好重要嘅。我買個 Sportvic Pro 嗰陣時咧，我順便買埋佢個 set filter，咁啊連埋咗個 mist 同埋個 ND filter，加上我自己有啲step up ring，咁就咁樣扭上去就得啦。咁就整嚟整去，咁樣都算輕嘅，但係係咪細件咧？係絕對唔係細件。呢支鏡就真係未，我略略用過啦，係嗰個啲咁嘅 flare 咧係唔係咁易出嘅，但係嗰個成個1.5個嗰個 anamorphic 嗰個變形個size perspective 啦，咁我覺得係幾震撼嘅，係尤其是咁樣近拍 ultra wide 嘅話係 very very cinematic，even more cinematic than 呢啲嘅1.3嚟嘅。嗱，但係咧都係嗰句係未真正深入啲用過，所以我都唔敢講啦。即係我練瑜伽拍片嘅話咧，係 Sony FX30 貓呢支50。呢個係 Blazer 一支鏡嘅啦，你留意到啦，都係個 ND filter 係呢個係我哋玩拍片之中係一個係I would say it's even more important than 究竟是不是 anamorphic 嘅，所以係如果大家係想接觸玩拍片嘅話咧，ND filter 係一定走唔甩嘅。即係我自己都睇緊。究竟係我想入嗰個啲 ND filter for 嗰個 DJI Pocket 3嘅，但係睇定啲先，因為係我究竟會唔會入嗰個 Pocket 4啊，定話嗰個 Insta360嗰個 Leica 嗰個 version 啊？哇！所以都係睇定啲，即係決定咗買邊部啦，我先至買個 filter accordingly 啦。今集就都頗為幾長下啦。如果大家有啲咩問題想知嘅話咧，喺留言嗰度問啊，即係我會係試一試攆一攆嘅，究竟 work 唔 work 啊，或者唔 work 啊，咁我就會覆你㗎啦，盡量啦。咁啊，下集再講啦，再會。唔係咖啡啊，梳打水啊。
Oh yeah.